Morning. Today I've come over my local river, the River Tyne, as I needed to redeem myself. Yesterday the weather was predicted to be raining all day, heavy rain, and I woke up in the morning and it hadn't started yet. So I thought, right, I'm going to rush out and I'm going to go over to Sutton Park and get what I can before it pelts it down. Got there, it started raining, it was grey, flat skies, it was really miserable, and I was rushing around like an absolute nutter trying to get something, and the amount of mistakes I made yesterday was unbelievable. It was like the first day I ever went out with my camera. I was missing focus, I had the wrong settings, shutter speed's not right, it was just a nightmare. I came home, looked at my photos, and I was really struggling to find one or two that I could do anything with. I think I got about 3 or 4, and it was just, I was so disheartened yesterday when I came back. I thought, what was I playing at, and I put it all down to rushing and not taking my time. And I think if you're going to start doing that, there's just no point in even going out if you're just going to rush. So this morning I thought I'd come out over my local river, the River Tyne, in my village, Waterorton, and try and get something. It's took me about 20 minutes, half hour to get to where I am now. I've had a slow walk down, I've took a few photos of some birds, and I think I've got some alright ones today. And the other plan was today was to take my drone out. Now I've got a Mavic Mini 2, and I haven't flown it in about 2 or 3 months. And I've updated, put all the new updates on it, and I still haven't flown it. And I thought, oh, it's a nice clear day today, no wind, I'm going to go and give it a fly. So I've just come to my normal little spot where I do my first bit of drone photography from, and I forgot the batteries. So yeah, I can't even fly that. And then I thought, well, I'll do a little vlog and explain what happened yesterday. So I got my bag down, come to change the lens, and I picked up the wrong lens. I picked up my 70 to 350mm lens instead of my Sigma 24 to 70. So I'm doing this on my phone. So the moral of the story is to stop rushing, take your time more. So hopefully I'm going to have a few photos to show you today. I'm not going to do any more talking because there's nothing else to say. So let's see if I redeem myself. Here's the photos. Well, I'm just about to head home, but there's two big buzzards over there. They've gone behind the back of the trees, but they have got closer to when I first started, when I first stood here. So I'm kind of going to hang on for 10 minutes to see if they fly over this way a bit. They're always over here, but I always miss them. I'm going to give it 10 minutes, see if they come over. If not, then I'm going to head back, because it's about 12 o'clock. And I might pop down to my mum's, because in her garden, I don't know what it is about my mum's garden, there's just hundreds of birds there. So I might take a few shots down there. If I do, or if I catch the buzzards, I'll leave them after this. But yeah, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Next week I'll hopefully get my drone out finally, and I'll remember my batteries. So yeah, like and subscribe if you can, really appreciate it. Until next time, thanks for watching again.